bought a little accessory for my Interceptor. Let's open this up. The Interceptor has fairly limited luggage options, but sometimes you just need to carry, you know, simple things, even if it's just a disc lock, a side stand pad, some spare earplugs, visor cleaner, that kind of stuff. There really is nowhere to put it unless you carry a backpack. So I've seen these side panel replacement things from a company called, I think they're Wingman or something like that, but they are very, very expensive. And these are little leather pouches that are designed to actually attach to the side of the bike. So the Wingman ones, they effectively what you need to do is remove this section here from the original side panel. You also need to remove the toolkit holder here, so these screws here, to remove that whole toolkit holder. I didn't really want to do that for a couple of reasons. One is much of the time I'm not going to want the side bag on there, so if it completely replaces the side panel, you've got no choice. And the other thing is cost. The Wingman versions are over 100 quid each, I think £110 for each side. So I've seen these things which have got pretty good reviews. They're leather, real leather, no sort of faux leather about them or anything like that. But these are designed, as you can see, using these elasticated straps to actually attach themselves to the original side panel. So this was about £40 as opposed to £110. So I'm going to fit that to the side panel, see how easy it goes on, and what it looks like, and how practical it is. So let's see if we can fit them. Bear with me. Not done this yet, so I'm sure there'll be a lot of pushing and pulling involved. They need to be fairly tight. That's the top two on. One here is, there you are. That's got him. So it looks like it's done it. Pretty straightforward. Let's put that back on the bike. That's it. It's on. It's not particularly huge. Let's just undo it and have a look. It's got this zip here. Not a huge amount of room in there, but I think that's just big enough to get a few essentials in there. A lock, side stand pad, a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, looks quite nice. Very easy to fit. And very easy to remove as well. I'll give that a go and see how I get on. Perfect.